Window film filters light to save energy and increase comfort or increase privacy and security. Uline offers a variety of privacy, tinted, mirror, and security window film. To select the best window film for your application, first determine your needs. To limit visibility and reduce distractions, Privacy Film provides a frosted look for offices and bathrooms. Tinted Film helps save energy and increase comfort by blocking light by up to 78%. Mirror Film gives you the benefits of both privacy and tinted films, blocking up to 95% of light, significantly reducing glare, saving energy, and filtering UV rays. To prevent entry, Security Film holds shattered glass in place, making it ideal for stores, offices, and homes. It is available up to 4 mil thick for increased protection. Note, window film is designed to be installed on the interior of a window with film solution sold separately. Uline also offers an optional toolkit for easier installation. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.